Right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable are all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, floor mats, keyless start, aluminum wheels. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.